Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my very own caramel banana nut bread. Alright, and these are the ingredients that you're going to need. Okay, right here I have some self-rising flour. You don't have to use self-rising flour, but I'm using mine because it's lily, white lily, okay? And it's already been sifted and all that stuff, so I have 3 cups of that right there. I have a half a cup of walnuts right here. I have 3 eggs. I have 4 ripe bananas. You need ripe bananas when you're making this. I have a half a cup of sour cream right here. Okay. Then I have a half a cup of brown sugar. I have 2 cups of white sugar right here. And I have right here is some baking soda. And right here is some cinnamon and nutmeg. So right here is a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And right here is a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Well, no, ain't no nutmeg, it's allspice, my fault. I'm sorry. Right here is some baking powder. You really don't need it since it's self-rising, but I'm going to add it anyway. Right here is my pink sea salt. Right here, this is a half teaspoon right there. And this is a half a teaspoon of that also, of the bacon. Alright, let's see, you gotta have 3 eggs. I think I told you about that. Alright, my butter's right here. I got 2 sticks of butter right up in there. And that's the first thing we're gonna get to mixing real quick in here. You don't really need a mixer to do it. I'm just using mine since I already have it. And I wanted, you know, just to try it out. So we're just gonna come in here with our sugar and my brown sugar as well. Alright, put that to the side. And we're just going to mix this up, guys. Start it on low to get well incorporated. Alright. And when that gets mixed up, then we're going to come in with our eggs. Alright. So I'm going to pull some of this down here to the side, like so. So we have all incorporated together evenly. And I'm coming back in there. The reason I'm lifting it up because it comes off the thing, okay? That's all I was doing. So I'm gonna come in here with my eggs. Just like that. That back in there and mix that together. Alright, I'm going to come back up, pull it down to the side again. Now, your bananas, you can smash them up and all that good stuff, but I'm just going to just drop this in here and go on low. Push that back down up in there. We're going to start it on low, guys. Alright, now I'm coming here with my sour cream. This is my wet mixture. I always want to start with your wet mixture first, and then come in with like your dry mixture. If you don't do it, it ain't gonna turn out right, I'm telling you now. So you're going to want to know why your stuff is chewy instead of moist. That sour cream tastes good. All right, we're going to incorporate that. I'm not going too much because I don't want my bananas to be really, really fine. I want to have little chunks in there. Okay? All right. I think we're done with this. Now what I'm going to do is take some of this vanilla extract. Now if you guys are familiar with this, Watkins is the bomb diggity. So we're going to put a tablespoon of that in there. That's right, I said tablespoon. Put that in there. I'm just going to mix this around in here, like so. So we got, let me show you guys what we got right here, okay? So that's all we're doing. Mixing this around. All right. We're gonna put this back right here. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna come in here with our flour, our dry ingredients. I'm gonna put the baking powder in there. We're gonna put the cinnamon and the whatever they call it. We're gonna come and put this in there, and all the ingredients that I told you guys, and our salt, and we're gonna put our nuts in there, just like that. You may need just a little bit more nuts than that, so we're gonna put a little bit more nuts in there. About that much. I'm gonna use some of this to top it on my bread. All right. So you just want to stir this up in here. You can use your hand, your spatula, or whatever. I know some of you guys wondering why I put the nuts and all that stuff in here, because it coats the nuts, so your nuts won't fall to the bottom of your pan. Okay. So that's the reason behind that. All right, so we're gonna come in here with our stuff. We're just gonna pour this in here. See, and some of this stuff I'll be using for something else. I ain't got nothing but a couple pans that I'm gonna be using. Just gonna fold this in here, just like so. Yep, make sure you hit that bottom. See, now you see how them nuts is coated in there? That's why they looks like that. They won't fall to the bottom. All right, now that's it on that. Move this thing out the way, lock this in place. Now I could have mixed this some more, but I ain't finna do all that because it's overwork, overkill, as they say. Now I have these little pans right here that I'm going to be filling up. And I have some smaller ones right here, little personal ones. Okay. So we're just going to pour it in here. Just like so. Just like that. I'll have the oven preheated. Mine is preheated at 350. This is get the air bubbles out. If you want to know why I'm doing this. Now I told you guys, I'm not a baker, but I do know how to cook. So if I know how to cook, you can be a baker. And if I'm a baker, if I'm not a baker, you can be a baker as well. Trust me. Ain't like I mean, you know, baking ain't never been my forte. I mean, ain't like I don't know how to get to it, but I just don't mess around with it too much. So I'm gonna take some of this and put it in this pan. Put this down here. Slide this off of here. But yes, make sure your hands are real clean too when you mess with this. All right, let me get this paper towel because we gotta get this stuff around off the side because it will burn. We want it to sit in there nice and even. Now, if you feel the need that you want to coat your pan and all that stuff, go ahead and do so. These are supposed to be non-stick pans. Now, here's what I'm gonna do. You ain't got to do it, but I'm gonna do it. See this butter? This butter's off the chain. I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on there. So it can soak down up in there. And I'll put a little more cinnamon. Cinnamon cap. I'm just going to sprinkle, lightly sprinkle this on here. Just like that. And trust me, when you wait till you make it. OMG, wait till you make it. You will be thanking me for a lifetime. Y'all, all-time recipe for the family. All right, guys, let me show you how that looks. You can see that. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for 45 minutes till completely done. All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, son. I know y'all probably tired of saying it, huh? I'm just gonna let these cool off and stuff. I turn these over and stuff. I think it'll be easier to come out the pan. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just let this rest for about 15 minutes. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm done. Took the pans off. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm only doing warm caramel banana nut bread. Just gonna drizzle some of this stuff on here. Now we'll add this. The caramel came out a little bit bitter because I let it get too dark, okay? So don't you do that. So as soon as you see it start turning, then make sure that you take it off the eye immediately, okay? All right, I have some heat stuff right here that I'm gonna put in there on top of it. But before I do that, I'll put this walnut on there. This will help out that taste as well. Got a little chocolate, heat, candy in it, and all that good stuff. So that's how we looking. So if you guys can see that up close, just like that. That's how I made mine. Caramel, banana nut bread. Alright, so I'm gonna come in here and cut one of these up and see how that tastes. These little ones to the side. Matter of fact, let me just kind of cut this one since it's closest. That's right, it's time to eat. Come in here and grab this one. So this is how it looks, guys, up close. See, let me come around here. This is how it looks up close. Yes, nuts falling out and everything. Okay, you gotta get that first bite right here. That's real good. So, but you don't have to make the caramel if you don't want to. Banana up there good by itself. This is what they call over the top. That is super delicious. And stop eating. Yes, sir. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. It's like heaven, biting into a little piece of heaven. But anyway, guys, I'm ready to get some more of this bad boy. You gotta like this video. Please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. Thank you for watching, and I'm out of here.